Hello student, welcome back to KG classes. Today I shall teach you direct and indirect narration. Direct and indirect speech. B may report the words of a speaker in two ways. First, B may quote his actual words. This is called direct speech. Second, B may report what he said without quoting his exact words. This is called indirect or reported speech. Direct, Ram said, inverted comma, I am very busy now. Indirect, Ram said that he was very busy then. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect. When the reporting or principal verb is in the past tense, all present tenses of the direct are changed into the corresponding past tense. Thus, a simple present becomes a simple past. He said, inverted comma, I am unwell. Indirect, he said that he was unwell. A present continuous becomes a past continuous. He said, my master is writing letters. He said that his master was writing letters. C. A present perfect becomes a past perfect. जैसे he said, inverted comma, I have passed the examination. Indirect, he said that he had passed the examination. Note, the shall of the future tense is changed into should. The will of the future tense is changed into would or should. As a rule, the simple past in the direct becomes the past perfect in the indirect. Direct sentence है, he said, inverted comma, the horse died in the night. Indirect है, he said that the horse had died in the night. The tenses may not change if the statement is still relevant or if it is a universal truth. We can often choose whether to keep the original tenses or change them. Direct, I know her address, said Gopi. Indirect बनेगा, Gopi said he knows her address. The teacher said the earth goes round the sun. Indirect बनेगा, the teacher said the earth goes round the sun. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, the tenses of the direct speech do not change. For example, B may rewrite the above example putting the reporting verb in the present tense. Thus, he says he is unwell. He has just said his master is writing letters. He says he has passed the examination. Next, the pronouns of the direct speech are changed where necessary so that their relation with the reporter and his hearer rather than with the original speaker are indicated. Observe the following examples. Direct, he said to me, I do not believe you. Indirect बनेगा, he said he did not believe me. Direct है, I said to you, I do not believe you. Indirect बनेगा, I said I did not believe you. Words expressing nearness in time or place are generally changed into words expressing distance. Thus, नाउ का देन हो जाता है, हेयर का देयर, एगो का बिफोर, दस का सो, टुडे का दैट डे, टुमारो का द नेक्स्ट डे, येस्टरडे का द डे बिफोर, लास्ट नाइट का द नाइट बिफोर. डायरेक्ट है, ही सेड इन्वर्टेड आई एम ग्लैड टू बी हेयर दिस इवनिंग. इनडायरेक्ट बनेगा, ही सेड दैट ही वाज ग्लैड टू बी देयर दैट इवनिंग. The changes do not occur if the speech is reported during the same period or at the same place. Direct है, he says I am glad to be here this evening. Indirect बनेगा, he says he is glad to be here this evening. Similarly, this and these are changed